Okay, so most people think that losing fat means eating less, but the real secret is eating more of the right foods that keep you full and your metabolism fired up. Today, I'm gonna break down 8 amazing food items that actually help with fat loss. And the best part, they are super affordable, super practical, and things that you can add into your daily routine starting from today. And trust me, food number 7 completely shocked me. I started eating it daily, and the results were insane. So stick around because you don't really want to miss that one. Number 1, warm water. Let's start with something as simple as warm water. I know it sounds way too basic, but guys, it really works. When you start your day with warm water, it gets your digestion going, boosts your metabolism, and reduces that puffy, bloated feeling in the morning. It's the cheapest and one of the most effective ways to support your fat loss because it sets tone for your digestion in the morning. You can start your day with basic warm water, or to level it up you can add 1 tablespoon of cow ghee in it. This is an old Ayurvedic practice that actually supports digestion. Or you can also squeeze in some lemon if you're okay with that tangy taste first thing in the morning. So before you have your tea or your coffee, just 1 glass of warm water. This is a small change, but trust me, if you stick to it, you will yourself see the difference. Quantity 500 ml to 750 ml of warm water in the morning. Number 2, amla, also known as gooseberry. Amla, also known as gooseberry, is literally a superfood, but it is not given as much credit as it deserves. Amla speeds up your metabolism, which means you are burning more calories even when you are resting. Amla is high in fiber, which means it reduces your cravings and keeps you fuller for a longer time. Also, it is very rich in vitamin C. It also has other nutritional value, and because it helps in digestion and flushing out toxins, it reduces bloating. There are even studies that suggest amla helps break down fat cells and lowers your cholesterol, especially stubborn fat. And the best part, it is super affordable. You can consume amla in so many ways. It is so versatile. Like, wow. You can have amla juice, you can have it in the form of powder, or if you are really okay with the taste, you can have it raw. I mean, it takes guts, real guts. Or you can have amla ki rasayan. Just mix half tablespoon of honey with half tablespoon of amla ki rasayan. Just mix it well, and then you can have it. It tastes good. Super simple and effective. It is recommended to have it 30 minutes before breakfast. Quantity 1 amla if you're going with raw amla, or 15 to 20 ml of juice mixed with equal quantities of water, or half tablespoon of amla ki rasayan. Number 3, eggs. Eggs are honestly hands down one of the best sources of proteins which are cheaply available in the market. They are so cheap, versatile, and loaded with high quality protein. The protein that keeps you full and satisfied, reduces cravings, and even slightly boosts your metabolism because your body burns more calories while it is digesting the protein. If you are a student or a working professional, eggs are your best friend. For 4 years of my college, I remember eating eggs every single day. You can have boiled eggs as your snack, or you can have them as your breakfast. You can also have an omelette for breakfast. When you eat protein rich breakfast, you will notice that your cravings are reducing. You don't get those biscuits and chips while you're craving. And the best part about eggs is that you can cook them in so many ways that you will never get bored of them. Quantity 1 to 2 whole eggs every day. You can also add 1 to 2 egg whites if you want to have more protein. Number 4, leafy greens. Leafy greens such as palak, methi are amazing for your fat loss. Why? Because they are low in calories and their fiber content is high, which means that eating them in less quantity can make you feel full and satisfied. Methi especially is very good when it comes to your blood sugar control, which is very important when you are losing fat. Stable blood sugar is equal to less fat storage. I honestly recommend adding 1 leafy green in your meals at least once in a day. Cook palak ki sabzi, methi ki sabzi, add it to your dal, anything works. You won't believe that I add palak to almost everything I eat. I am that Popeye the Sailor Man who is literally obsessed with palak. I add it to my pasta, to my noodles, to my sandwiches in the form of chutney, omelette and whatnot. It's such a simple habit and it compounds over time. Quantity: 1 cup of boiled or cooked leafy green is a must. Number 5, chicken breast. Let's talk about protein again. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is lean, packed with protein, and really helps in two ways. It keeps you full so that you won't overeat, and also if you are someone who is trying to build muscles, chicken breast is your best friend, because the more your muscles are, the higher your metabolism, which means that you are burning more calories even when you are at rest. That's what we are doing over here. Chicken breast is also so versatile. Like, you can cook it in so many ways. It is so tasty. Grill it, bake it, make it a curry, or just boil it. If you don't eat chicken, no problem. I have more options for you coming up next. The key is that in every meal, you should have some amount of protein. Quantity: 100 to 120 gram of chicken breast is a good option to go for in one meal. Number 6, Greek yogurt. I am a big fan of our regular desi curd, but it just does not contain much amount of protein and it is higher in calories compared to Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt has almost double the amount of protein your regular curd has, or your regular yogurt. It is rich in probiotics, which are really important for your gut. I'm telling you, the healthier your gut is, the less you are gonna have bloating issue and better digestion. I personally have this as a snack. I sometimes have it with my lunch, or sometimes I have it as my pre-workout. You can also add a fruit in it, or you can add some dry fruits, chia seeds. It's like, it is also so versatile. It's super healthy and helps a lot when it comes to fat loss. 100 to 120 grams of Greek yogurt per day is a good option to go for. Number 7, and something that came out as a shocker for me, sweet potatoes. I always thought that potatoes are fattening, but sweet potatoes are different. They are high in fiber, they stabilize your blood sugar, and they keep you full for longer hours. Plus, they are packed with so many nutrients and with less calories. The best way to add them in your diet is by simply boiling them and having it plain. Or you can add a pinch of salt. I like them to eat plain. They are super tasty, comforting, and once you start eating them, there is no going back. Roughly a medium-sized sweet potato is a good option to go for. Number 8, legumes and lentils. Moong, chana, rajma, masoor, all of these are a powerhouse. They are high in protein, they are high in fiber. Anything that is rich in protein and fiber helps you stabilize your blood sugar and keeps you fuller for longer hours. For women especially, they are fantastic when it comes to your iron, calcium, magnesium, which are really crucial for a long healthy life. Even if you just aim for half cup of cooked lentils daily, you'll see your energy has boosted, digestion and your fat loss is fired up now. Quantity: 100 grams of legumes and lentils per day. So those were my 8 amazing foods for fat loss. Remember, losing fat is not eating less. Just stop punishing your body. Stop starving yourself. It's about choosing the foods which are gonna help you with your fat loss and reduce your craving. Basically, the food which works for your body and not against it. Tell me in the comments which one of these 8 food items are you gonna start right away, like from today. If this video sounds helpful, share it with your friends, family, and subscribe to my channel, because I've got so many more practical tips coming right your way that you can follow in your daily life. Bye!